Hi friends. As per the request from different people, I started teaching this network even as a basic foundation, and I'm referring this network even Deutsch also from Sprache. This is a Kursbuch plus Kursbuch. Uh, we will discuss each and every topic in detail, and I'm not taking you to the basics. Hope you all know some basics of even. I'm just going to through this book, and if any wherever it's necessary, I will just highlight or emphasize that part. Okay, so let's begin. So my the first lesson will be on the chapter 1, which is a capital Eins. Guten Tag. Okay, I will be concentrating mostly on this topics: stack handling, word shards, grammatic. I will take later point. Aussprache, pronunciation, and Landeskunde, different countries and languages. Okay, yeah. So this is the first part where we see the total lesson is divided, and there's a meaning to this. The Lernziele. Lernziele is what we are going to learn. It's the learning objectives of this Guten Tag. This capital Eins, or we can say chapter 1. So we see Grüßen und Verabschieden, which is greetings and auf Wiedersehen. Basically, Verabschieden is nothing but see you or bye, or you can say the sign off. Okay, and sich and andere vorstellen, introducing yourself and introducing others. Sich und andere sprechen. So speaking about oneself and speaking about others. So here expression is to speak. So we will discuss in detail each and every vocabulary wordshots. So we also learn about Zalandes, Zwanzig, and how to read the telephone numbers and how to write the telephone numbers, and also emails and the Sagan. So addresses Sagan. So it's how the emails and addresses we can write or we can see. Buchstabieren is we can say spelling. Okay, we need to spell out. And überlehnen und Sprachensprechens about the countries and languages, to speak about the countries and languages. And finally, there is a grammatic topic. But in this video, I'm not going to talk more on the grammatic part. It will be only the first objective. So grammatic, I will take it separately. Okay. So here we see a different expressions and in a different languages. This is something called Kuranke, this is in Japanese, and this is our backpack in France. This is nothing but the French language, and butterbrot is Russisch, and this is a Otabon, this is in Turkish. So how different words are spelled in a different languages, here we can able to see. Okay, and you see Guten Tag, this is the first chapter. Here we have an Ungarish folk stock, Wurstel in Italianish, sausage. This is in English is called sausage, and strudel in English. This is a kind of a food strudel as breakfast. And Gals is a Spanish where we will be it's kind of dance activity, and Anzuk is a suit. It's in the Bulgarish. So these are all the different activities what are shown in the different languages. When I come into the next page, I can see the same images which are depicted in the first page here. Everything we can see in the second page in the German. So you see, there Walzer. Walzer is kind of a dance, okay, dance form. And here, the important point, what we need to remember when we are learning German is we need to learn the nouns with the articles. Articles, as you know, we have a definite and indefinite articles. So, definite articles are der, the, and this. Indefinite articles are ein, and eine. For masculine, neutrum, and feminine, we have a different articles. So in German, the masculine is always represented with a definite article with der, and the masculine in the indefinite article with an indefinite article is represented with the ein. But when we talk about the feminine, the best article, which is a definite article, is represented by the, and unbestimmter article is einer. The same way, the neutrum gender in German is represented by this as a distinct article and ein again as a indefinite article. So for masculine and neutrum, ein is the indefinite article and einer is a indefinite article for feminine. So we will see later how the plural will be differentiated. But for our understanding purpose, what we are discussing here is in the Guten Tag with the different kinds of words. The first is Walzer, Walzer, which is a kind of a dance form, and this is represented in the male as that's the reason it is shown here as third Walzer. Okay, and the second is their apple strudel. So apple is apple, strudel is kind of a breakfast. It's called the same in English as a strudel, and this is again represented as a masculine. So there is no hard and fast rule to identify the articles of each and every noun. It's you need to mostly 90% you need to remember or you need to learn by article. There are some rules and exceptions for which each and every case or each and every uh, gender, there are some certain cases, but most of the time 80% or 80 to 90% you have to remember with the article. Like Wurzel, we see the third one, yeah, apple strudel, they are apple strudel. Always you should not say apple strudel, you should say as their apple strudel. Because when we are discussing or when we are learning in the next stages after A1 and A2, you will have what cases, nominative case or accusative case or dative case or genitive case. So in those cases, the article will change. So if you identify the article at the first place, then in each and every case, the article will be represented or article will be correctly identified. So that's the first step for our in the A1 is to understand the word or understand the noun with the article or to by heart or to learn the noun with an article. Okay, and rucksack is a backpack, and this is always represented with the masculine gender, so that's why it is highlighted as the rucksack. Okay, as I said, always you need to remember or you need to practice with the uh, article, their rucksack. And the next is roostel. Roostel is nothing but a sausage. It's kind of a meat or some kind of a non-veg, which is represented as this. Okay, and butter broad. So this is a butter bread with a butter. So that's reason is called as a butter broad, and this is represented as as a neutrum. So that's the reason neutrum distinct article is this. So that's what they're told. Their anzug is a kind of a suit. Okay, the person who is wearing this is called the anzug suit, which is always represented with the masculine gender as dr anzug. And the next is dr kranka. Okay, kranka is illness. So this person is suffering from some illness. So that's why it is called as a dr kranka, and it is an illness. And this is represented with dr as a masculine. And the autobahn. Autobahn is nothing but your normally in Indian terminology, this is called as a highway or motorway. Uh, so this is represented with the feminine gender. So that's the reason the as a feminine distinct article. And the last one is this Frühstück. Frühstück is a breakfast. And normally the breakfast is we represent with the neutrum gender. So that's the reason this is just as distinct article for breakfast. So friends, these are all the articles. This is only just a some kind of a nouns which are highlighted in this example or in this capital I's. So in case when you are trying to practice a more number of words, as I said, always you try to remember or recollect or to practice with the article. Either it can be the and this or ein and einer. Okay, so based on the article only, future in the further classes we can identify what is the case and how this will be changing. Okay, so this is all about the articles in the Guten Tag in the first page. So now if I come into the second one, or basically it's a tile one, Deutsche International was zusammen ordern sie zu. Okay, so here this is a Deutsch international in a German language internationally. What does it belong? What belongs or what it is called together? And zoo ordnen sie zoo or ordnen sie zoo is the one. It's called as a Shannon Barabar, and now at this level, you just remember this is an ordinance Z. Zoo is zoo ordinance. It is asking you to allocate. Okay. So what you are supposed to do here is Frühstück. So this is a Frühstück. There is a Frühstück. Frühstück is this is this is a Frühstück. So there will be a this Frühstück and uh, yeah, you just need to remember these words in categories. Okay, and we heißen diese water in ihrer Sprache. So we heißen. How do you call these words? Since how you represent the above images in your own language. So Sprache is your language. Again, this is your noun. So we discuss in detail why ERR has come, okay, and why a Sprache is like this, and water is a plural. What is a water? And the word, the singular of this word, okay, and why it is called as a Heisen, and what is these are all we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, so your idea is, your activity is for each and everything. So what is the corresponding word or what is the corresponding expression in your own language? Maybe you can say rucksack if you are in English, or if you are English spoken person, you have to say this is a backpack, and this is a apple stool, and this is a kind of a dance. This is a soup, and this is a sausage, and this is a butterfruit, and this is illness, sickness person, and this is a motorway, or we can say highway in Indian or English language, and this is a breakfast. Okay, so the second activity is we heißen this water in your Spraka. Maybe in case if you want to identify it in your own native language, so maybe Tamil or Malayalam or any other Hindi, you can just try to understand these words and think how these are all pronunciation. What is the pronunciation of these words in your own language? Okay, and C is können Sie andere deutsche Wörter and sammeln Sie. So do you know some other Deutsch words? Do you know some other Deutsch words? Sammeln Sie is just to collect. Maybe you can say book, laptop, computer, or you can say a door, or you can say a car or motorrad. Okay, so car is called as this auto, motorrad is their motorrad, tour is their tour, and computer is their computer, book is this book, and kuli their kuli, kuli is called pen, and tasha is a bag, flasha is a bottle. So like this, just try to collect some of the words which you normally see in your day-to-day life. From morning to evening, just make some note as a slip and write the corresponding word in the German with article. Okay, so that's the third activity. What is talking about? I have prepared one PPT. I will just share after the link where the PPT is put. So you can just go into the PPT and see some translations. Okay. Second activity or second part is hello choose. Choose hello. So what we are discussing here is hello is a grusen, a greeting, and choose is a bye, or we say it's an informal bye. See you kind of a thing. Choose. Okay. So second one, this is a audio tape. If you have this book and just listen this audio tape, what here they are talking is hello. Wir bist du? Hören Sie und lesen Sie, wie heißen die Personen? So here hello is nothing but your hello or hi. Who are you? What bist du is what is nothing but is a kind of a question. Who are you? This is a informal. Do is a informal. It's nothing but it's not a little non-respect way. Okay. So when you are talking about the second you, second person informal, we normally represent that with a do. And when we are calling as do in English, normally we say, who are you? So that R is called bist here. And hören Sie und lesen Sie, wie heißen die Personen? Here, because it's a series there, right? Here and read how the persons are called. Okay, so there's some scenarios or some activities. So image one, it says two people or two people met in the market or somewhere outside and they're talking. So this talking should be in the greeting. Okay, so when you are meeting your friend or when you are meeting somebody, a known person, how do you speak with him? Okay, so same thing here they are talking. Hello, Nina. So hello, we normally call this as a hi or hello. So here in German, this is called as a hello. Nina is the name of a person, and the Nina is responding to the Gregor. So here, these two persons they are talking. One is a Gregor and one is a Nina. And in the first case or first at the first instances, Gregor is asking Nina, "Hello, Nina," and Nina is responding to Gregor, "Hello, Gregor." V gates. V gates is nothing but how is it going? V is nothing but how, and gate s how it is going with you or how it is going. In a short form, it is called as a V gates. Okay. So when Nina and Grigor met somewhere in the outside or near the market or some place, so they are get to introduce to each other or they get to greet each other First person, Gregor is saying, hello, Nina. And Nina is responding to the Gregor, hello, Gregor. We Gates. Okay, hello, Gregor. How are you? So normally when we meet any known persons, we say, "Boss, how are you doing? How was your day? What kind of what kind of activities you're doing? What are you doing?" So all these things we call normally in your native language or English. Same way in German also we have some kind of a introduction or greetings that we need to follow. So as per the trend, the Gregor and Nina who met outside, they are talking with each other. So Gregor is asking Nina and Nina is responding as well as she is again putting across a question to Gregor. Hello Gregor, we Gates. Hello, how are you doing? We Gates is how is it going for you? But normally in a common language which is called as how are you? And Gregor is talking Danka share good und dear. So he's saying, thank you, I am doing good, or it is going good. Share good is very good. And how are you? Und dear. Und dear is, how is it going with you? Instead of talking the entire thing, he says, and you. Dear is nothing but you. How is it going with you? Or, and how is it, how are you? So immediately, Nina is saying, yeah, it is great. Yeah, it is going good. Danka. Danka is thank you. Okay, so this is kind of the audio. There are some further questions, or maybe there are further discussions in the audio. We need to just go and add those lines here as part of the exercise. Okay. So again, Nina and Yulia met each other somewhere. So they are talking. Hello, Nina. Hello, Yulia. It's not in German. This is called as a yacht. Yulia, we Gates. Is it going with you? Yeah, Danka. Yeah, thank you. Good. It is going good. And dear, and how are you doing? Yeah, it is great. It is going good. Okay, so this is related to second article. And hello, Julia. And do she's saying, I am Julia. And who are you? Here is bin. So normally I am, he is, she is, you are, they are. So similarly in German also for each and every pronoun there will be a kind of a word, helping word. So I am, ich bin, du bist, wir sind. Okay, so like this we have some kind of a verbs and for each pronoun. Okay, so he's saying hello, ich bin Julia. Hi, I am Julia, or I am Julia, and you, and who are you? Wer bist du? Who are you? Yeah, ich heiße Gregor. I am called as a Gregor. Entschuldigung, wie heißt du? Somebody is saying, if I'm not able to understand properly, I say, okay, sorry, or pardon me. So the same way in German, we say Entschuldigung. It's a formal way. We say, excuse me. How are you called? I to this, how are you called? So Gregor, he's saying, my name is Gregor. In the short form, he's saying is a Gregor. Okay. In the third scenario, so they already spoke to each other, and the lady Julia is leaving. She is saying choose. They spoke to each other, and he's saying okay, bye. Julia is saying choose. Choose Julia is called. So Gregor or somebody is saying choose Julia. Bye. To respond to Julia, they are also saying bye Julia. Miss Paul, see you soon. And choose. Okay, this part is I will see you or meet you soon, kind of a thing. And in the second one, hello und tschüss, spielen Sie die Situationen. So here what they are saying, our expectation is we maybe we can take as one of the one person will represent one character here, either Gregor or Yulia or Nina, and we need to play the same role. Okay, this is kind of a role. Okay, roles play, normally called role play. Okay, so hello, we can say hello. One person will say hello, and another person say, "We heist. How are you called?" And the other person will say ish heiser something. Maybe you can say ish heiser Gregor, or ish heiser Tom, ish heiser Nina, or ish heiser Weber, or ish heiser something, or some name you can say. Ish heiser is nothing but I am called, or my name is. Okay, and what is you and who are you? So when we say we has to do, you see, for both of them, we has to do or well this to do. Okay, how are you called and how we has to do, and how are you called, or who are you? Okay, we hasn't see or we has to do is called as who are you called, and verb is to do. Who are you? So normally, who are you is if I ask somebody who are you, so I am expecting that the person will tell about his name. Okay, so that's why we call in German also the same structure. I am HP. And wie geht's? How is it going? And the person will answer Danka good. Thank you. It's good. Danka or share good. And these are the different expressions that what we can use. Und here and you, how good? I am also doing good. So it's not necessary that when I'm meeting with a known person or a non person, I don't need to completely say I am doing good and how are you doing, and I am good, and how are you doing? Okay. Uh, so when I say thank you and it is good, doing good, and how do you do, all those things are not required when we are speaking in a informal way. Because informal is nothing but there is no hard and fast rule that you need to follow like this only. So it's again depends on the slang and the region where we are speaking. And how good is nothing but also good. I'm also doing good. Tanka is great. It is going good. Shows is nothing but is kind of a informal why. Okay. So when we are talking among our friends or our relatives, we normally say as choose. When we are talking with the officials or some about superiors, we should not say as a choose. Choose is kind of a disrespect. Okay, and if it is within the friends, it's okay. But when we are speaking with some higher officials or when we are speaking with some other superiors, we should not use as choose. We should say of Zain. Okay, of Zain. This is nothing but it's also kind of a goodbye, but it's something respectful manner. Okay, and kennen Sie Deutsch? Namen or bekannter deutscher Person, sammeln Sie. So, do you know any German names or any popular person? They're asking just to correct. So, what they gave is Katharina. Normally, Katharina is a person, and Philip Lane. We can say Tom. We can say Gregor. We can say Weber. We can say Daniel. We can say Philip. We can say different kinds of names. Okay. We can say Angelia. We can say McWhite. Okay, and we can say Christoph, different kinds of names we can pronounce or we can say. And when it is coming for a bekannter deutsche Person, so known person in German. So normally when we are talking about a known person or celebrities, we can say maybe the uh, different persons who are maybe in the football or some who are playing in the soccer or some celebrities or others like Mark Twain So Leo Tolstoy or Einstein. So this kind of personalities you can say as uh, Deutsche Personen, non-German people. Okay. So in case if you are not able to follow or understand, just put it in the comments so that I can just explain you in clear. Okay. Yeah. So other thing is the third chapter is third in the sense within third submodule within the first chapter is Guten Tag auf Wiedersehen. So here also there is some kind of audio. Then we will try to explain. I will try to explain this. Guten Tag, wie heißen Sie? Hören Sie und lesen Sie. Wie heißen die Personen? So it's saying Guten Tag, good morning or good afternoon, or you can say good day. And wie heißen Sie? How are you called? Hören Sie und lesen Sie. Hear and read. Wie heißen die Personen? So that means in the audio there is some audio is going on, and the expectation is they are asking us to listen the audio and read it, read the questions and how the persons are called. Okay, so the first is Guten Morgen. So normally when we are talking about Guten Tag, Guten Morgen or Guten Act, so there are some timelines which we need to follow. If it is from morning 6 to 10 or 11, we call this normally as a Guten Morgen, which is nothing but your good morning. After 11, we call this as a Guten Tag, good afternoon, till 4, okay? And 4 to 8 is called as a good evening, which is Guten Abend. And from again 8 till 12, it's called as a Guten Night, okay? Which is good night. Yeah. So, Guten Tag auf Wiedersehen. So we understand choose is one of the way to express a bye or way to give a sign off. In the same way, there is a off Wiedersehen. Off Wiedersehen is a formal way, and the informal way is called as a choose. Okay. Yeah, so with this, let us wind up the session today and we can discuss in detail because the first day itself, if I'm going this much of a pace, it will be very difficult for you to follow. So just we will break one chapter into different videos and we will work on it. In case if you are finding difficulty to follow, then we can you can put it in the comments.